Okay guys, so nandito nga pala tayo sa
balloon game.
ayan ako, nagpupwis ko ng balloons kasi malapit na tayo sa
Neptune!
ayun na oh, nakikita ko na sa taas. Wait lang. May malaking balloon ako dito. Malaking balloon. Bro, I can see! Then, nakita ko yung malaking balloon.
Lapit na tayo, guys.
Oh my god, there is the Neptune. Hello, Neptune. I'm now gonna go. What the heck is that? Bro, I can get up on the Neptune. I actually need to place a balloon. Oh man.
I hope I don't fall.
Oh my goodness. I'm just gonna. Oh my. I'm hawaking a balloon. The
Neptune!
Oh my god, I'm almost
10,000 height.
dapat nakapunta tayo doon sa sun. Wala na agad yung lubo natin, no? Wala, nag-start. Ayun yung, ito yung giant balloon ko.
Guys, so, ginagamit ko yan. At saka din yung rocket balloon.
Oh my god, I wanna get in there. No, my PC. Wow, nandito na tayo, guys.
Ba't walang Venus? Earth!
Ay, nandyan yung Earth. Oh my god, I wanna get in on the Neptune. Neptune. Hey, it's me. I'm Dylan. Yay! 10,000 hype! Oh my god! Yeah. Oh my god, I'm happy I have a carpet, bro. Oh my god, Neptune is good. I'ma go on Uranus next. Oh my god.
Good. That is good secret. Carpet item.
Uranus. Flying cloud. Whee! Let's go on Saturn, guys.
Okay, we're here in Saturn. 7,000 height.
Oh! What the? Invisible! Oh my god, I got invisible. I'm back. I almost got blurred. And bro, we're falling!
LOL! Grabe naman yan.
Jupiter has this! Oh my god, I wanna use that. Where's it? Where's my inventory? My gulay! Space balloon is glowing! Oh my gulay, I like that! Bro! Here?
4 na yung record natin, guys.
Bro, wait. Oh no! I broke my screen. I got it back. Let's go on
Saturn. I mean Mars.
Mars. Hello, Mars. You ugly Mars. Joke lang. Init-init dyan eh. Oh my gulay. Speed coil. I wanna use this. Let me under there. Oh my gosh. This is so fast. Next. Oh, I mean that star. That the moon is not a planet. That's a star. Moon. Oh my God! Wala, nahulog tayo. Oy, we're back in Earth.
Bye-bye planets and stars. Bye-bye, bro. Hindi ko sa-stop yung record, ah. Oh my gulay!
Ito nga pala yung big balloon natin. Diba? Malaki yan. This is malaki than this. It's glowing! Oh my gulay! I like that! Happy balloon! Oh my gulay! The balloon is glowing!
Oh my God, that's cool!
We can try it at only kunti-kunti balloon. Like that. Or I mean giant balloon. Oh my gulay! What the? Hala, lumipad yung ano. Bye-bye, bro. It's a giant balloon. We can fly out the bus with kunti.
Only balloon, kunti balloon.
See, it's flying. Because we use space balloon. And we can even fly this one. Oh my gulay! Oo nga! That's only
Kunti-kunti balloon.
ito kaya. Alam, mas mabigat ito. Oh, wait. Oh my God, can we get in? Now we can. So I'm just gonna use to climb up like this. See that? Oh my gulay, can you what the? We can push it with carpet.
What the? Grabe naman yun.
Okay, 7. Oh my gulay. Oh my gulay, the spinning balloon has arrived. I mean, the giant balloon. I mean, rock. Hala, lumipad! Hala! Lumipad yung ano ah! Oh, what the? Oh my PC! Oh my gulay. Hala, 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 hala! Lumipad yung ano ah!
Pwede pala yun.
Oh my. Uy! Mabilis to. Okay. Okay. Sabar. Ay, kuya, tignan mo to. Okay. Sabar. Okay, wait lang.
Ulit, guys.
Sabar. I will make you ice hurt right there. Ah! Bro! This is crazy!
Bro, what the?
Now I like the one. Now I like the one. Oh my God, I am flying! Look guys, I'm flying! Bro, who makes the balloon? You wanna help us? Okay. I'm just gonna make it go down. Oh no! Nahulog! Nahulog siya! Nahulog. Grabe naman may nahulog siya!
Ang galing nun ah.
Try kaya natin ipalipad tong bahay with kunti balloon. Running giant balloon and rocket balloon. Bro, what the? What the? Lumipad na agad yung bahay? Ang kunti lang yun ah. Oh my gulay.
Parang nga siyang movie. Yung movie may madaming balloons, lilipad ka yun.
Summer. Summer. Bro. Oh my god, it's Roblox, guys. Oh, bro, I'm shiflock. Hello, Roblox. Oh, sorry.
Grabe naman yan. Galing mo na.
Level 9 na agad. By the way, may pasok ako bukas. Bro, it's Skibidi Toilet. Skibidi dap 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 kiss skibidi dip 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 skibidi dap. Oh, you don't. Okay, I'll make it fly. I'm not open. It's not working. Uy, gusto ko lumapit sa kanya.
I am getting disconnect.
Bro, Skibidi Toilet is flying. I'll place. Oh. Grabe naman yun. Oh my God! Lumilipad si Skibidi Toilet. Look, lumilipad na. Ha, bla bla. Ala, lumipad. Gusto mo bala? Papababain ko yan. Go down! Girl, go down! Ano ba yan? Ala, lumipad ulit! Grabe naman yan, ala. Go down, bro! Go down! Go down! Go down! Go down! I hate this bahay! Yes, he go down. Lol. Speed up! Oh my gulay!
Ang bilis natin ah.
Can we buy Thanos Globe? Nah. Can we buy the pack? Nah. That's okay. I'm not.
Pizza!
Oh my god. I'm gonna place a balloon. I'm place a balloon. I'm place a balloon. I'm place a balloon. Yeah, I opened the pizza. Bro, nahulog sa glass. Radyo.
Yan yung nakuha ko yung rocket balloon eh. Ginawa ko.
Cute pizza. Oh, there's Roblox. Hello. Ay, no, you got no. Let me drive. You want me to make it drive? Okay, I'll make it drive. So yeah. Nomi! Go! Bro, what the? It's not driving. Look, bro.
Ano nangyari?
Nay, may nahulog. Haha. Sabi naman yan. Ang bilis naman lumipad ah.
Grabe yan?
Hala, may nahulog na agad. Sige na nga. Hala, hala. Ayan. Oh my God! Let's go! We need some, giant big old bro. I need to make it fly. Yeah. I wanna make it fly. Bro.
I'm ugly. Joke.
Yeah, you too.
Oh my God, what the? What? Kaya yung sinabi ni Sherry Mas kanina, yung pinanorin ko. Hala, nagbo-burn tayo. Let's make it fly with
Space balloon.
I can't make it fly. I wanna make this fly.
Yes, sir. Yay.
Just keep placing a balloon so that it. Oh my gulay! Hala!
Oh my PC. Ay,
Hala, lumipad na! Hala! Grabe naman yan! Hala, lumilipad! Hala! Grabe! Lumilipad yung ano. Grabe naman yan. Let me test it going up. Oh my gulay! Let's make a space balloon. This is so amazing. Okay.
Bro, what the?
Hala, gumagalaw yung ano. Oh bro, I can place a balloon right here. So I'm gonna use a cart. Bro!
Stop burning.
Bro! Oh my God, it's flying! Bye-bye, guys! Oh my God! Pwede pala yan, ipalipad din yung oven? Ang laki to eh! Hindi ko napalipad yung 2023 pa.
Diba? Grabe, galing nun na.
It's flying! Oh my God, I placed a big balloon.
Ew, what the heck is that sound? Bro, what the heck?
Another big balloon. Bro, that big balloon just popped! Oh, I need to go on a cloud. Okay, I'm just... Bye-bye, oven. You will fly away. Oh my God! Lumipad yung bahay. Eh di, papadown ko yan. Bro, he's not downing. I have an idea. I'ma just...
Place a space balloon on it.
Nah, never mind. Oh my God, lumipad yung oven. Bro! What the? Nasira ko yung oven! Oh my God, there's a little balloon right here.
may
Why? It's not tied into a rope. Look at that.
Why it's tied inside the, ano?
Bro. I need to, go down. Go down. Yes, it will go down. Lol. Ang galing ah. Grabe naman yan. Naka-go down siya. Bleh. You cannot make this go up. Okay, I'ma just place a space balloon on it. Lumipad! Hulo! Hala,
Okay.
lumipad! Bye-bye! Oh my gosh! Where is Junan? Junan, come here! Hoy! Hey, keep up. Ay, kuya! Kuya, tignan mo to. Kuya!
Oh.
Keep up, I'm too fast, Ay, okay, wait lang.
Give me everything you took from me.
Give me everything from me. Keep up, I'm too fast, Push my foot up on my bed. Okay, ulit.
Give me everything you took from me. Give me everything you took from me.
Up, I'm too fast, Push my foot. Ah, wait.
Push!
Hala! Push ulit. Wait lang ulit, guys.
Push.
Give me everything you took from me. Give me everything you took from me.
Keep up, I'm too fast, Push my pedal. Ay, pedal. Ulit, wait lang. Give me everything you took from me. Give me everything you took from me. Keep up, I'm too fast, Push my foot up on my pedal and I go. Keep up, oh my skibidi toilet. Joke lang. Ulit, guys. Give me everything
You took from me.
Give me everything you took from me. Keep up, I'm too fast, Push my foot up on my pedal and I'm gone. Ga. Keep up on my straight, watch it, patak. Hindi ko alam. Ulit, guys.
Give me everything you took from
Go.
me. Give me everything you took
From me, keep up, I'm too fast, Push my pedal on my... Ano ba yan? Give me everything you took from me. Give me everything you took from me. Keep up, I'm too fast, Push my foot up on my pedal and I go. Ga. Keep up on my straight, Watch it. Oh my God. Ayun. Lisa giant balloon and then space balloon. Bro, I can get out! Okay,
Bro, how did I not clip?
What's happening to me? Oh no! Oh my God. We're gonna get disconnect for this. Give me everything. From me. We're gonna get. Ah, I hate this game of living. I always get. Oh. I hate being disconnect. I think I got banned.
Okay?
Oh my PC! Hala, ginagamit ko lang yung microphone ko.
me everything from me. Brookhaven! Oh my PC! Oh my God! Brookhaven! Break na ako dyan. Wow. Ang avatar ko dyan ay pader. Oh my God, I'm gonna hide right here so that he don't find me. Give me everything from me. Give me.
Hindi nila alam na ano tayo,
Wait!
hindi tayo, clear tayo,
Pero nga, kalbo lang ako. Give me everything. Where is strawberry? He's not gonna. Oh my. Peace. Oh my. PC. He pop too fast. I'm fast. Push my foot up on my pedal. Gun. Keep up on my string. Bacon, wow! Uy, ito yan na anak ko sa game. Give me everything.
and dito tayo naka-hide.
Gulay. Give me everything. Oh my God, is that strawberry with a balloons? Give me everything you took from me. I die, bro. Bro. Para tayong ano nga, oh. My God, we're a wall.
Be small, okay? Okay, bro.
Give me everything from me. Give me everything you took. Up. I'm too fat. Ay, kuya. Keep up. I'm too fat. Mataba si kuya. Mapayat ako. Tabat ko si kuya. Tabak ko si ako. Give me everything. Lagi na lang tayo. Okay, let's go run. Who's this player?
Where is the, ano?
Give me everything. Yan sila guys. So, oh my gulay yan. Hiding like shit. Oh my gosh. Where should I hide? Okay, I'm gonna hide right here. Oh my gulay, I'm scared.
Wait.
Nandun na sila oh.
Yeah. There we go. Thank you.
She's not pansinin me.
Oh my gulay.
Oh my.
Give me everything.
I need a car.
Not. I need beef. Joke lang. Give me everything you have from. Keep up, I'm too fat, Push my foot up on my pedal and go. No! Keep up, I'm too fast, Push my foot up on my pedal. Oh no, I have to stop my record, so bye guys.